My country people, now well done. Oh. My name is Dr. Izuaba Kelechi. I want you to know about the coronavirus where they affect everybody for this world. As una know say for every pandemic, it dey take time before everything returns back to normal. Now what I want you to know about coronavirus. Coronavirus na virus where fit enter the body and if it enter through the mouth or through the nose. So una talk say coronavirus no dey exist. No be true. Coronavirus is real. E no dey show for face. Una also talk say coronavirus dey affect only the rich people. That one na lie o. E dey affect everybody. Una talk say coronavirus no dey affect black people. Say na only oyibo people wey the thing dey affect. E no be true. Una talk say coronavirus dey affect those people wey get small sickness for their body. Na false. Una also talk say coronavirus, say if you drink alcohol or you high or you take shekpe one thing, say e go fit kill the virus. No be true.
One of the things wey you go do na to wash your hand well with soap and running water. When you no fit get soap and running water, you fit use hand sanitizer. Sanitize your hand well. Another thing wey you go do to prevent this coronavirus na to use your face mask. Use your face mask, cover your nose and mouth very well. No try dey where people plenty. Try to maintain the 2 meters social distancing between you and the next person. If you do all these things, you go prevent coronavirus. So
the symptoms wey una go see if person don get coronavirus. The number one symptoms wey be say person go get, say their body go dey hot well. Like say they dey inside firewood. Another symptoms wey person fit get na to dey cough. The number 3 symptoms wey person fit get na say their throat go dey pain them, they no go fit swallow. Another symptoms wey person fit still get na say belle go run them, maybe say they go dey feel like say make they vomit or they go even still vomit. The new symptoms wey be say we don't even know about be say they no go fit smell at all. Even though you spray perfume, they no go fit smell am. Another symptoms be say they no go even fit taste at all. We be say they no go fit differentiate between salt or pepper or maggi. Some don't even dey present with chest pain. We be say their chest go dey do gri. Some people their whole body dey pain them. Some their head dey knack them kpaka. Say that they get headache.
So all these things my colleagues don't tell on now. Once you notice say you get coronavirus, what you go do be say you self-isolate. You no go dey go everywhere where other people dey go. Secondly, you go call NCDC number where they for the state, for your area where they stay, make they come check you. Thirdly, you go cooperate with every person where they in contact with you. What people where they treat you, if they ask you any question, you go tell them the correct thing. Also, you go give all the information where you need. And when you self-isolate, you go dey use your mask. You no go dey come close to every other person until they start treatment. When you do all these things, you will get better. As we don't tell on all these things, and these things will make you dey safe from coronavirus.
Make una no forget say this message wey we bring una na for our own benefit. Now Global Goal Initiative and National Hospital Interns 2019-2020 join hand bring una this message. Stay safe.